Welcome to Arpa Apps, your low-code no-code platform empowers businesses of all types to easily build applications. Hi, I'm Esmeralda, your onboarding specialist. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily manage your event registrations. If managing event registrations feels overwhelming, Arpa Apps is here to simplify the process. With our intuitive platform, you can set up events in minutes, track attendees, and send reminders all from a user friendly dashboard. Plus, our app streamlines payment processing and integrates seamlessly with popular tools. Leave registration stress behind and embrace effortless event management with Arpa Apps. Experience the difference today. So let's begin. Either sign in or sign up. Log in using your credentials. In this session, I'll guide you through the process of setting up an efficient event management system. We'll start by creating an event registration form using a tech summit as an example. Then, I'll show you how to design a survey form that will automatically be emailed to the attendees the day after the event. Finally, I'll demonstrate how to build a seamless workflow where the organizer receives a registration notification, registrants receive a confirmation email, and the survey form is automatically sent after the event. This setup is designed to be hassle-free. Once configured, Arupa Apps takes care of everything effortlessly. To begin, open the dashboard menu, navigate to Forms, select all forms, and click Create Form. This will take you to the form design page where you'll find all the necessary tools to build your event registration form. Start by naming your form appropriately. For this example, I'll use the input tool to collect details such as name, email address, and phone number, ensuring the input types are set accordingly. If you need to provide selectable options, you can utilize tools like Select, Checkbox, or Radio to create a user-friendly experience. Finally, add a submit button by dragging the button tool to your desired location. For this example, I'll place it in the center. To save your form, scroll to the top and change the status from draft to active to start the event registration form. When finished, you can set it to inactive. Adjust final settings as needed. Private restricts access to users other than the users in the tenant. Public allows anyone to access it, and Embed enables addition to any HTML page. For this example, we'll choose public. Save the form to receive the URL for sharing with your audience. Now this is the form we just created. I will now enter an example data. Next, I'll demonstrate how to create a survey form, which follows a similar process to creating an event registration form. Start by opening the dashboard, navigating to Forms, selecting all forms, and clicking Create Form. Name your form appropriately. Using the tools discussed earlier, design your form to gather the necessary feedback about the event. Once the form is complete, save it following the same steps used to save the event registration form. Now I'm going to show you how to create the flow. Open the dashboard menu and click Flow. Then select Create Flow. Name the flow accordingly. I'll name it Tech Summit. Click the trigger node and set form submission as a trigger type, and choose the event registration form you created as a source type. Next, click the email node and enter the organizer's or the one in charge of the registration's email address where the completed form should be sent. You can use a template if you have one, or you can manually create one. Fill the from name, and in the from address field, input the company email ID that is integrated. Set the subject line to highlight the email and customize the body to include a trigger node that automatically fills in the necessary audience details for the organizer. After that, click another email node. In the To field, use the trigger node to automatically map the registrant's email ID so they will receive an email upon completing their registration. If you have a template, you can use it, or you can manually create one. Enter the from name, and in the from address field, input the company email ID that is integrated. Set the subject accordingly, and customize the email body with the necessary information for the registrant. Now save it. Now, add a wait note to schedule reminders for the registrants leading up to the event date. In the Schedule On field, specify the waiting period in days, minutes, or hours. For instance, if you want the email to wait 1 day before being sent, select days in the Schedule On field and enter 1 in the day field. You can also set the time of day for the email to be sent. If the event is 2 days away and you want to send 2 reminders on each day, you can clown the wait note, set days in the Schedule On field, and enter 2 in the day field for the second email, and so on. You can connect these wait notes to the first email if you want to send the same email as a reminder. Alternatively, you can create new email notes for each wait note by clicking the email note and connecting it to the appropriate wait note. Next, add another wait note to schedule the feedback email to be sent to registrants on the day after the event. In the Schedule On field, select days, and in the day field, enter 4 to ensure the email is sent on the day following the event, as the event itself is scheduled for the third day. Once configured, click on an email node and connect it to the wait node. In the To field, use the trigger node to automatically map the registrant's email ID so they will receive the feedback email on the scheduled day and time. If you have a template, you can use it or you can create one manually. Enter the From name, and in the From address field, input the company email ID that is integrated. Set the subject accordingly and customize the email body. Here I will add the URL of the survey form I created in this video so the registrants will be able to click the link and fill the form. Now save the flow. Thank you for watching our video on how to easily manage your event registrations in Arupa apps. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos on using different tools in Arupa apps to make your business grow. For further information, please reach out to hello@arupaapps.com. Thank you.